What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And wow, you guys can actually see me in here. Yeah, if you haven't seen the last video, you'll see that my garage was like super dark, but we went and we picked up some nice quality lights. Got them from Amazon, really good deal. So now we have lighting and heating in here, and we're gonna need it because in New Jersey it's cold as hell. Anyway, as you can see from the title of the video, what happened to my 335i, and you know, what parts did I get? What are the power goals for? I know you guys are all wondering that. So what happened to the old N54 motor that I got? I still have it sitting on the side of the tire. I had a weird noise. You guys can listen to that right now. So as you heard, that weird noise I thought was a rod knock. Ended up posting it on the old channel, and somebody actually had told me that, yo dude, it could be your AC compressor. So what did I do? Ended up trying to see if it was the AC compressor, and a couple of days later, this is what happened. As you can see, the AC compressor is supposed to have a clutch, and it actually just completely like shredded apart, disintegrated, and yeah, so this little guy was no good. As precautionary measures, I actually still took the car to a company, Z&M Performance, who will have a video, next video, talking about why not to use them. So definitely make sure to stay tuned for that. Now, this is where we are today. New motor, multiple parts to make 600 wheel horsepower. That's gonna be my goal. With everything you guys are about to see here, it's not gonna be at 600. I still need a couple more parts, but when I first started the car, we should be close to 500 wheel, and then after getting some fueling stuff, that's when we'll really go for 600. So let me flip this camera around, show you exactly what we got. All right, so here's everything that we have, plus a couple of stock things. This is the old intercooler I had, which I'm not gonna be able to use anymore because it still holds the stock C-clamp connection. So this is Garbo for me. This is gonna go to one of my friends for sale. Now this is everything that's really gonna make the big power. So we have this VRSF 7.5-inch race intercooler. It has couplers and stuff. This is going to be a key component to keeping the intake air temperatures down, as well as these heat-wrapped VRSF 2-inch stock location inlets that pair up with these beautiful Vargas GC Lite 2.0s, as well as, they're twin turbo obviously, so there's the Vargas. We also have two brand new red Burger Motorsports dual cone intakes, along with this beautiful red vacuum line. This is 4mm silicone vacuum lines. That's going to be replacing the blue vacuum lines because I'm picky when it comes to colors, and originally I was going to go a blue theme. Now I want to go red, so that's why we got the red. As well, for that we have brand new Index 12 injectors, the latest and greatest, and hopefully this is the last injectors BMW will make because I'm tired of spending $1,300 every time they make a new one. We also have these Active AutoWorks catless downpipes. This is, big for when you're going upgraded turbos or even just want more power. We heat wrap these with DEI titanium exhaust strap. We got a Burger tuning billet shift rod, as well as a short shifter kit. So this should really stiffen up the shifting. A CPE charge pipe with a tile blow-off valve, 50mm, and a 3.5 bar sensor that we need to run over 20 pounds of boost. And then this is the last thing. This is just the stock intake manifold, but when you run the tile 50mm blow-off valve, you're actually supposed to change this little 1/8 nipple here to a 1/4 fitting. So that's to make sure there's no compressor surge or anything in the turbos. So that's everything that we have got for the car. I still am waiting on my Vargas outlets to come, and then once we get that, the turbos can go on the motor and the motor can go back in the car. So I'm super excited. If you guys are excited also for this build, make sure to go down, click that subscribe button, also turn on post notifications and leave it a like. And that's the end of this video. Make sure you come back for the next video. I'm going to be talking about why not to use the company Z&M Performance. It's a whole nice story, and it's definitely going to save you guys a shit ton of money and a shit ton of problems. So always remember, work hard, stay humble.